First, inspect the site carefully. Measure the area and prepare a landscaping plan. Mark locations for lawn, pathways, plants, and decorative features according to the design layout. Clear all unwanted vegetation, stones, and debris. Remove roots completely to prevent regrowth. Level the surface properly to prepare for landscaping work. Improve the soil quality by adding topsoil, compost, and sand if required. Mix thoroughly to create fertile and well-drained soil for healthy plant growth. Install the irrigation system before planting. Lay drip lines or sprinklers evenly to ensure proper water distribution across the garden. Lay natural turf or plant grass seeds evenly. Press the grass firmly into the soil and water immediately to help it settle and grow properly. Dig planting pits according to plant size. Place trees and shrubs carefully. Fill with soil and water thoroughly to support root establishment. Construct pathways using paving blocks or gravel. Install decorative elements such as garden lights, stones, or water features to enhance the landscape design. Complete final trimming, clean the site, and check irrigation. The garden is now ready, fresh, organized, and beautifully landscaped.